Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're simply gonna look at how to add postings to your favorite in Craigslist account. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. If you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now for now, let's simply try to add some postings to our favorite. I'm just gonna go to the event calendar right here. And as you can see, there are multiple postings which are available. And let's just say we want to add a few of them to the favorites. Well, right here, right next to each of these postings, you will see a star-like icon. Once you hover over it, you can see something like Add to Favorites list. Simply click on it, and then as you can see, the star is glowing. I'm gonna try to add this one as well. As you can see, these jobs have been added to our favorites. Now let's look at how to view our favorites posting. Right here on the navbar, you will see a star-like icon once again that is named as Faves. Simply click on it, and these right here are the postings that you have just added to your favorites list. And guys, that's it. That's how you add to favorites in your Craigslist account. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.